Shri Gurubhyo Namaha children. See, this is 12th standard state board, chapter 8, exercise 8.4. Find the partial derivative of the following. What is that meaning for partial derivative? You know very well that differentiation. If the terms comes like this, x, y, because both are function, x is function, y is function, so you will differentiate UV method. Because x is also a function, y is also a function, so differentiate with respect to x means x become 1 and y become dy by dx, because both the terms are function. It is for differentiation. Here they are mentioning about partial differentiation. Partial means with respect to x means you have to differentiate only for x, that y term is a constant. With respect to y means x is a constant and y is a function. Is it clear for you? See here, for ordinary differentiation, if the terms comes like that, x, y means both the terms are function, x and y are function, so you can use it as a UV formula, that is a product rule. But here find the partial derivative. Partial derivative means partial. That is, x is a function. Differentiate with respect to x means x only is the function, y is a constant. You consider as a y as a constant term. Differentiate with respect to y means y is a function and x is a constant. Now we are going to see about the sum. See, f of x. What is the meaning for that f of x? Here we can use it as a dou. In ordinary differentiation we can use it as a d. Here partial means you can use it as a dou f by dou x. Dou, the symbol is different, dou f by dou x. F with respect to x. Remaining all the terms are constant, that is y term is also constant. You have to differentiate the f of x comma y with respect to x only. In this case y is a constant term. See here, dou f by dou x. See, 3 2s are 6. You know the formula, n into x power n minus 1. 3 into 2 into 2 minus 1 minus 2 into x is a function, so x become 1 and y is a constant, it is in a product, so you can write as it is. See here, y square is a constant term because it is a partial derivative, y square is a constant term, so you can put 0 plus 5 into x become 1, 2 is a constant, so 0. So dou f by dou x equal to, dou f by dou x equal to 6x minus 2y plus 5. Dou f by dou x at point 2 comma minus 5. At point 2 comma minus 5 you can substitute x by 2 and y by minus 5. See, this is x and this is y. Okay, so 6 into 2 minus 2 into minus 5 plus 5. So what is the value for this? See, 12 plus 10 plus 5. What is the value for this? 22 plus 5 is 27. F of y equal to partially y, f with respect to y, it becomes dou f by dou y. You don't mention d. D means it is the function of both x and y. If dou means it is a partial differentiation. It is a symbol for partial differentiation. Okay. See, dou f by dou y. If it is dou f by dou y, remaining all the terms are constant. That is, x term is constant. Y is alone is the function. So 3x square. It becomes 0. Minus 2 into x into y become 1, because with respect to what? Y. So 2x into y become 1 plus y square. Y square means what? 2y, 2 minus 1 plus 5 into x become 0. Constant term is also become 0. So dou f by dou y equal to minus 2x plus 2y. Remaining all the terms are what? 0. So dou f by dou y at point, what is the point? 2 comma minus 5. 2 comma minus 5 is what? Minus 2 into 2 plus 2 into minus 5. Minus 2 into x become 2. 2 into minus 5. So what is the value? Minus 4 minus 10. The answer is what? 14. The answer is 14. See, h of x. H of x, it's nothing but what? Dou h by dou x. Dou h by dou x. With respect to x, here is also x term, here is also x term. So you can use it as a product rule, UV formula. X into u v dash plus v u dash. U v dash plus v u dash. X into sine of xy. Sine of xy is nothing but what? Cos of xy. Differentiation of sine of xy is cos of xy. Then xy differentiation. X become 1 into y. Is it clear for you? X into u into v dash. Differentiation. Partial differentiation of sine xy. Sine xy is cos xy. That xy is what? X become 1 and into y plus sine xy into that is v into u dash. Sine xy into u dash. X become 1 plus z square into x become 1. So xy into cos of xy plus sine of xy plus z square. Therefore dou h by dou x at point, what is the value they have given? 2 comma pi by 4 comma 1, that is x comma y comma z. You can substitute the value. See here, 2 into pi by 4 into cos of x become what? 2. 2 into y become what? Pi by 4. Pi by 4 plus sine of 2 into pi by 4 plus z value. Z value is what? 1 square. Z is 1 square. See, pi by 2. Cos pi by 2 value is what? 0. Cos pi by 2 equal to 0. Sin pi by 2 equal to 1. Sin pi by 2 equal to 1. So cos pi by 2 equal to 0. 0 into any number? 0. So it gives 0 plus sin pi by 2 is 1. Sin pi by 2 is 1 plus 1 square is 1. So what is the value you are getting? 1 plus 1 equal to 2. See, h y partially h with respect to y, differentiate, partial differentiation h with respect to y, it become dou h by dou y, dou h by dou y. See, x into x is a constant term with respect to y, but it is in a product multiplication, so you will write as it is. X into sine of xy is cos of xy. Partial differentiation. Sine of xy is cos of xy. That xy differentiation. Differentiation of xy is, because it is successive differentiation. If it is sine y means we have no problem. Cos y, but sine of xy is, differentiation of sine of xy is what? Cos of xy. Cos of xy, that xy, x into y become 1. X into y become 1. Here there is no y term. There is no y term. So it become what? 0. So it gives x square cos of xy. So dou h by dou y at point. What is the point? 2 comma pi by 4 comma 1. 2 comma pi by 4 comma 1 equal to x y z. So 2 square cos of 2 square cos of x y, that is 2 into pi by 4, 2 into pi by 4 pi by 2, that is 4 cos pi by 2. So what is the value of cos pi by 2? I told you in the previous sum. Yeah, it's correct. It's 90 degree. Cos 90 degree is 0. So it gives 4 into 0. The value is equal to 0. 0 multiplied by any number, it gives the value 0. See, h is z. What is the meaning for that? Partial differentiation of h with respect to z. It gives dou h by dou z. Dou h by dou z. See, there is no h term in this term. There is no h value in this term. So it become 0 plus z square, 2z into 2 minus 1, 2 minus 1 into x. So what is the value of dou h by dou z equal to 2zx. So dou h by dou z at point, what is the value? 2 comma pi by 4 comma 1. You can substitute the value for z. This is x value, y value, z value. So it gives 2 into, what is the z value? 1. What is the x value? 2. Okay. So 2 2s are 4. So dou h by dou z equal to 4. Gx. Gx. What is the meaning for that? Partially differentiation g with respect to x. Gx equal to dou g by dou x. This is the symbol for partial differentiation and d is the symbol for derivative, that is differentiation. So dou g by dou x. See, here also x term is there, here also x term is there. So you can apply for uv formula. uv, that is uv dash plus v u dash. u into v dash, log of x. Log of x is nothing but what? 1 by x square plus y square. Log of x is 1 by x square plus y square. Then log of x part is over. Then you can concentrate on the differentiation of x square plus y square. In this, with respect to x means x is the function and y is the constant, into 2x plus 0. 2x plus 0, because x square become 2x, y square become 0, because partially differentiation with respect to x, plus log of x square plus y square, log of x square plus y square into differentiation of e power x plus 3y. E power x plus 3y is what? E power x. E power x differentiation is e power x. In the place of x, what is the value here? X plus 3y. So x become 1 and 3y become 0. So see here, dou g by dou x equal to e power x plus 3y into 2x by x square plus y square plus log of x square plus y square into e power x plus 3y into 1. So you can take it as e power x plus 3y commonly out. What is the remaining thing? 2x by x square plus y square plus log of x square plus y square. So dou g by dou x at point. Dou g by dou x at point. dou g by dou x at point minus 1 comma 1. You can substitute x, y. You can substitute the value for x and y. See here it gives e power minus 1 plus 3 into 1. E power minus 1 plus 3 into 1 into 2 into x become what? Minus 1. X become minus 1 by x square plus y square. X square plus y square, what is the value? Minus 1 the whole square plus 1 the whole square. Minus 1 the whole square plus 1 the whole square plus log of the same thing. Minus 1 the whole square. Log of minus 1 the whole square plus 1 square. So it gives e power minus 1 plus 3 is nothing but what? E power 2. E power 2 into minus 2 by 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 plus log of 1 plus 1. Log of 1 plus 1. So e power 2. E power 2 into minus 2 by 2. Minus 2 by 2 plus log 2. Minus 2 by 2 plus log 2. See it gives e square into minus 1 plus log 2. So you write it in a proper way, e square into log 2 minus 1. See, dou g by dou y, that is gy equal to dou g by dou y. See here also y term is there, y term is there. Again you can apply for what? uv formula. uv dash plus v u dash. See here u is what? e power x plus 3y. Differentiation, partial differentiation of v. Log of x square plus y square is nothing but what? 1 by x square plus y square. Then log x is over. You concentrate on x square plus y square, successive differentiation. See here. Because with respect to y, partially with respect to y, x becomes 0 and y become 2y. Y become 2y. Plus log of x square plus y square v into u dash. Log of x square plus y square into e power x. E power x is what? E power x. Okay, with respect to y also you are getting the same value, e power x plus 3y. Then you move on to that x plus 3y. X plus 3y with respect to y we are doing. So x becomes 0 and 3 into 1, y become 1. So it gives e power x plus 3y into 2y by x square plus y square plus 3 into e power x plus 3y into log of x square plus y square. So e power x plus 3y you can take it as commonly out. What is the remaining thing? 2y by x square plus y square plus 3 into log of x square plus y square. Yeah, dou g by dou y at point minus 1 comma 1. At point minus 1 comma 1 it gives e power minus 1 into 3 into 1. You can substitute x by 1 and y by 1. X by minus 1 and y by 1 into 2 into 1 by 2 into 1 by minus 1 the whole square plus 1 square. Minus 1 the whole square plus 1 square plus 3 log of of minus 1 the whole square plus 1 square, minus 1 the whole square plus 1 square, okay, whole square plus 1 square. So it gives e power minus 1 plus 3 into 2 by 1 plus 1, 2 by 1 plus 1 plus 3 log of 1 plus 1, 3 log of 1 plus 1 e power 2 into 2 by 2, 2 by 2 is what? 1, 1 plus 3 log 2, 1 plus 1 2, then 2 by 2 get cancelled, you are getting the value 1. So e power 2 into 1 plus 3 log 2 is dou g by dou y at point minus 1 comma 1. Okay. See, find f of x, f of y. Show that f of xy equal to f of yx. See, first we should find out f of x. F of x is what? Partially differentiate with respect to x. See, both numerator as well as the denominator we are having a x value. So it comes, you can take it as a u by v formula. What is the formula for u by v? V u dash minus u v dash by v square. Okay. V u dash by u v dash minus by v square. So y plus sin x the whole square, y plus sin x the whole square, y plus sin x, y plus sin x with respect to x only we are doing. So 3 into x become what? 1. X become 1. V into partially differentiation of u, that is 3x, x become what? 1. So minus u, u is what? 3x, u is 3x, v, partially differentiate of v, v is, see here, v is y become 0, differentiation of v, y become 0. What is partial differentiation of sin x? Sin x is cos x, sin x is cos x. So what is the value? 3y plus 3 sin x minus 3x cos x by y plus sin x the whole square, y plus sin x the whole square. See here, f of y is nothing but what? Dou f by dou y. But y is in the denominator. You can bring it to the numerator and you can apply for the n into x power n minus 1 formula also, because numerator there is no y term. Or otherwise you can use it straight away by the u by v formula. See here, v square. What is v square? Y plus sin x the whole square, v square, y plus sin x into differentiate with respect to y, x become 0, x become what? 0, because with respect to y, in the numerator there is no y term. So with respect to y we are doing, this term become what? 0, minus 3x into u into v dash. V dash is what? V dash, that is y. Y is 1. Sin x become what? 0. So what is the value we are getting for dou f by dou y? Minus 3x by, because 0 into any number? 0. Minus 3x by y plus sin x the whole square. Y plus sin x the whole square. So now we are going to prove f of xy equal to f of yx. First I can take it as f of xy. X, f of x with respect, see here, dou by dou x of dou f by dou y. Dou f by dou f by dou y with respect to x we are doing. Dou f by dou y with respect to x we are doing. See, dou by dou x of, dou by dou x of, what is dou f by dou y value? Minus 3x by y plus sin x the whole square. So this term you are doing with respect to x. Okay, so we can again, because both numerator and denominator we are having a y x value, so you can use it as what? U by v formula, v u dash minus u v dash by v square. So it gives, see here, it gives my v square y plus sin x the whole square, the whole square. V, what is the value of v? V is y plus sin x the whole square. V value is u dash. U dash is minus 3 because x become 1. V u dash. V as it is, the value as it is come, the differentiation with respect to x. So minus 3 into x become what? 1. So y plus sin x the whole square into minus 3 minus v u dash minus u v dash. U, what is the value of u? Minus 3x. V dash. V dash is how you are going to do, because 2 into, it is near power, 2 into y plus sin x. 2 into y plus sin x whole power n minus 1. N into x power n minus 1 into, see here, y become 0. Because with respect to x you are doing, y become 0 and sin x become what? Cos x. Sin x become cos x. See here, it gives minus 3 into y plus sin x the whole square, y plus sin x the whole square, minus into minus become plus 6x, plus 6x cos x, 6x cos x into y plus sin x, y plus sin x by y plus sin x the whole power 4. Y plus sin x the whole power 4. See, in this 3 into y plus sin x you can take it out. What is the remaining thing left out? Minus of y plus sin x, minus of y plus sin x plus 2x cos x, plus 2x cos x by 2x cos x by, see, y plus sin x I can take it out. So 3 into y plus sin x, what is the remaining term? Minus y plus sin x plus 2 into x cos x by y plus sin x whole power 4. So it get cancelled. So what is the remaining thing? F of xy value is 3 into minus y minus sin x plus 2x cos x by y plus sin x the whole cube, you can take it as 1. See, now we are going to see f of yx. F of yx. So what is the meaning for that f of yx? Dou by dou y of dou f by dou x. Dou by dou y of dou f by dou x. So dou by dou y of dou f by dou x. What is the value of dou f by dou x? 3y plus 3 sin x. 3y plus 3 sin x minus 3x cos x, minus 3x cos x by minus 3x cos x by y plus sin x the whole square, y plus sin x the whole square. So dou f by dou x with respect to y we are doing. Dou f by dou x with respect to y we are doing the same thing. See, because y terms both in the numerator as well as denominator we are having, so we can apply for the u by v formula, quotient rule, that is u by v formula, v u dash minus u v dash by v square. See here, cf of yx equal to f of yx equal to v square, f of yx equal to v square. So y, this term with respect to y we are doing v u dash. See here, y plus sin x the whole square v square, v u dash, v is what, y plus sin x the whole square, v u dash. U dash is, there is only one y term is there, because this is also x term and this is also x term. It is partial differentiation, it become what, 0. So 3 into 1, remaining all the terms are 0 because there is no y term. Okay, see, v u dash minus u, what is u, 3y plus 3 sin x minus 3x cos x minus 3x cos x into u into v dash. V dash is what, 2 into power y plus sin x whole power 2 minus 1, n into x power n minus 1, the same way n into y power n minus 1. Then you move on to y become 1 and sin x become 0. So see here, see, in this y plus sin x and 3 is common, so you can take it out. What is the remaining thing? 3 into y plus sin x, you can take it out. What is the remaining thing left out? Y plus sin x minus 3 also you can take it out. So what is the remaining thing? 2y plus 2 sin x. So I multiply 2 here because y plus sin x whole power 1 only, so I can take it out. What is the remaining term left out? Only 2 is left out there. So 3 also I can take it out. Remaining, what is the term? 2 you can multiply, 2y plus 2 sin x minus 2x cos x by y plus sin x whole power 4. Term get cancelled, it gives what? Cube. So f of yx equal to y plus 3 into y plus sin x minus 2y minus 2 sin x minus 2 sin x. See, y plus sin x minus 2y minus sin or 2 sin x plus 2x cos x minus 2y minus 2 sin x plus 2x cos x by y plus sin x the whole cube. So it gives f of yx equal to 3 into y minus 2y is minus y. Sin x minus 2 sin x is minus sin x plus 2x cos x by y plus sin x the whole cube. So you can take it as 2 from 1 and 2. F of yx, that is f of xy equal to f of yx, ends the proof.